Hello folks, welcome to Netizens Talk. This is my very first video with myself in it. Last few days I was infected with COVID and I recovered, thank God. Recovered fully now. You might have noticed I got my old domain after a gap of 5 plus years and I installed WordPress on it using AWS or Amazon Web Services. The complete installation video of WordPress be it for some other day. Today, let me tell you how to install a caching plugin on WordPress hosted on AWS. The problem here we get is we don't have the necessary file permission to access WP content folder. I tried uh, many a times using FileZilla's software, but I could not change the file permissions. Then I connected my instance or server or EC2 instance through SSH. So what are we waiting for? Let's get to the computer screen. Hello, welcome back. Here, while installing WP Supercache plugin, we change file permission of WP content folder using shell programming. For this, you need to download the secret key to connect with your instance. This will be available in .pem file format. This can only be done during WordPress installation. AWS doesn't give secret key later. The UI for downloading secret key looks something like as shown in the video now. If you have already installed WordPress, then there is no way out. Just reinstall WordPress to get the secret key. Before doing so you can take a backup of your blog using any WordPress backup plugin. Now go to putty.org and download correct version of Putty software as per your system configurations x64 or x86, that is 32-bit or 64-bit system. Install Putty. I have installed Putty. Putty comes with PuttyGen. So let me show you. Here we convert .pem file to .ppk format. For this, I load .pem file. We select all files. Here is the .pem file. Now it will convert .pem file to .ppk file. Save the file. Click Save Private Key. Yes, I'm saving it on desktop. So this key you can use later. Let me name it as Netizen Stop. This is the name of my blog. I have saved .ppk format. Now you need to configure the Putty software. So I'm opening Putty. This time Putty, not PuttyGen. Here you will be asked the host name or IP address of your instance. This can be got from the instance running page. This is the instance running page, and here is the IP address. We just copy it and we paste it here. And you need to name your session. Here I have named it as Netizen Stop. Just write some random name and click save, and your session gets saved. You can delete this. You need to do few more settings in your Putty software before connecting to EC2 instance. First would be in SSS there you will find auth. In auth you should load the ppk file, not pem file. You should load the ppk file which recently you have converted from .pem file. Then you should go to data. In data you should write the username. Since our WordPress is built by Bitnami, the username would be Bitnami. It can be anything, but in our case it's Bitnami. Then you should go to tunnel. Tunnel establishes communication or connection between your port of local computer and port of EC2 instance. So we write localhost :space 80 with port 888. Click add, then open. Thus, you are connected to your EC2 instance through SSH. Now, let us keep this aside and move to WordPress. I have logged into my WordPress site, and in plugins section, I am clicking Add New. Here I will search WP Super Cache. PSU. Here comes WP Super Cache. I'm installing it now. My internet is a bit slow today, so it takes a bit more time to install. It's getting installed. Yeah, installed. Installed. Now I click activate. I'm activating the plugin. Here, when you activate the plugin for the first time, you get error. What you can do is you can search the exact error and you will find the solution in Google. Here I got the solution for changing the file permissions. I don't want to go in much detail into it, as it's just the thing of changing permission modes of a file. You can read it from here and you can see the solution here. Here, I'm adding these things in the description of the video. Thank you for being with me. Thank you once again. Thank you one and all.